Is it recording? Yes, okay. Hey guys, it's me, Chelsea.
And Debbie.
And we're gonna show you guys our office today.
In the rain.
Okay, so here's our new building. And it is raining today. We picked a good day to do this.
Didn't we?
Okay, here we go.
There's Penny.
There's Penny. She came with me today. Come on, baby. So when you enter, this is the main office. And this is Ginny's desk. And then we have Mom's desk over here. And here's our sign. It looks amazing. And here's my planner card. And my desk. And then we have Rachel's section. And we have a bunch of products sitting out here. This is where we usually put like all of our new releases, so it's easier for her to grab everything for your orders. And then we have washi here, more product along this wall, and then back there, that's a bathroom. I guess I can show you that. This is our shipping station. Some ready to ship shirts over here. And a window. And then in here, we have a bathroom. Hi! And then, yeah, let's go back this way. We have the film room in here. So this is where I usually am whenever I'm doing videos. I'll have all my planner stuff here. And so if you guys can hear cars, it's probably the highway out there. And we just have this cute little setup. We wanted to have everything looking super amazing and decorated, but we are too busy. We just don't have time for that. So we're showing you how it is in all its glory. Here's the kitchen. I don't really need to show you anything in here, I guess. That's the kitchen. And then we have this storage room here with lots of space. We needed so much more space, so we have it here. And then down this little hallway, we have our production room, which is just basically this huge garage with all our machines for making stickers. And this is our new vinyl printer and cutter. It's huge and it's amazing. This is where we do our shirts. We have a heat press, and then over here
We have a laser that we've never used.
Yep, a new laser machine, and someday we'll get that up and running. And then over here, this is where we make most of our stickers, and we have our silhouettes here. We use these to cut our premium matte sticker paper. And then we have some smaller vinyl machines back here.
Printers.
Yeah, vinyl printers, sorry. All right, and then that's another back door. And the best puppy there ever was. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed our office tour. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!